Hey everybody, it's Curry Gaming, and I am back with another video for you today, and I am going to be reviewing some new Spin Master Monster Jam trucks that I got from my good friend Zach. So let's get started. The first truck we are going to be reviewing is the Ice Alien Invasion. So I'll give you a 180 look at it, and then we'll look at it up close. Alright, so there was the 180 look. So here's the truck up close. The truck looks really nice. Obviously the front end of the truck is all covered in like blizzard flames, and the headlights are blue. Now that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna move this here. It's got these translucent blue tires with painted white snow treads on it. Now that's really cool. If it'll focus, there we go. The Alien Invasion logo and the Monster Jam Ice logo. White chassis, blue undercarriage. Yeah, this truck is really cool. And my favorite part about this truck is I like the translucent blue window, and oh man, those ice flames look pretty cool. And you could also see the futuristic symbols all around it. That's pretty sweet. And I like that it's a metallic indigo blue paint. Yeah, so that's really cool. Yeah, so all the trucks I'm reviewing today are from the Fire and Ice series. You can get these trucks at Walmart, so they're exclusive to Walmart. I only have the Wave 2 of the Fire and Ice trucks, but I am still going to be on the lookout for Wave 1, which consists of Fire Gravedigger, Fire Rottweiler, Ice Blue Thunder, Ice Soldier Fortune, and the other 2 packs, Ice El Toro Loco versus Fire Zombie, and Fire Megalodon versus Ice Dragon. Alright, so that was Ice Alien Invasion. Let's get on to the next truck from Team Ice that I will be reviewing today. Here is the Yeti truck. I'll give you a 180 look at him. I gotta be honest, when I saw the prototype for this truck, I'm like, man, that looks awesome. I do not know if this will be a real truck at the end of the year, maybe like for the World Finals or something. It could be a fantasy truck, that I don't really know. But we'll see what Feld decides to do, because I don't know if this is just a concept made by Spin Master, or not. So I guess we'll find out when you know, May comes and the World Finals comes around and all that. Alright, so let's get an up-close look at this beautiful Monster Jam truck. Of course, it's got the same tires as Alien Invasion. Here's the front. The truck looks very menacing. He's also smiling, and he's got fangs. It's 3D all around the back here, and the truck's got like Yeti hair to make it look like a real Yeti, which is really cool. And if you look closely here, the sign has a bite through it, but it says "Beware Yeti seen in the area." And then the Monster Jam Ice logo, which is really cool. Personally, I don't know about you guys, but to me, this looks like a combination of NEA and Zombie. Like, it could be like it's basically like a SUV NEA Harry style, but with like a zombie looking face. But I don't know if Zombie had fangs or not. But I do know it just had like crazy teeth. But that's just my opinion. I mean, to me, it looks like a combination of both NEA and Zombie. But that's just my opinion. And then, yeah. Looks pretty menacing. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I really like that truck. And then truck number 3 from the Team Ice is Cynthia Gautier's Dalmatian. Pretty cool. I honestly thought it was a clever idea for Monster Mutt Dalmatian to be part of the Team Ice for Monster Jam this year, because honestly, here's why it makes sense. One, we have something called the Iditarod, which is snow dogs, and some people think it looks like Blue's Clues, which is kind of funny in my opinion. I wonder if that's a meme going around for Monster Jam, but I could be wrong, but that's still kind of funny that people would say that. Yeah, and of course, yeah. So all these ice trucks will have the same look for like the wheels and chassis wise. So I'm not going to always talk about the chassis and the wheels. So it's got a blue tongue this time. Sorry, my hand's shaking. It's got whiskers. The dots are basically kind of like snowballs, like a flurry of snowballs or snowflakes. The teeth look snowy in 3D, making the truck look aggressive, per se, even though it's trying to smile. Collar's 3D still, so is the tag. That's nice. Tail and ears are like indigo blue, which is pretty cool. And of course Monster Mutt Dalmatian's tag, and then it says Monster Mutt. And then Monster Jam Ice logo. This truck looks awesome. Alright, so that's all the current trucks I have for Team Ice. I plan to get more, as I said. Just don't know when. And I only have 2 fire trucks right now, but I plan to get more trucks for Team Fire. So the first one we're going to take a look at is Wildfire. So first I'll give you a look at him on the turntable. I'm going to have to try to speed this up a little bit, but yeah. Alright, let's take a look at this beautiful monster truck. So obviously all trucks from Team Fire are going to have a yellow chassis, these orange jelly rims, or wheels, I should say, and fire treads. So, yeah, let's take a look at this beautiful truck. So obviously it's supposed to look like an eagle, but it's covered in fire just to make the truck look menacing and aggressive, which I think is cool. I do hope we get more trucks that use this casting. So yeah, and this truck does have moving parts, like the wings can move. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. See, it's moving. The Monster Jam logo is hiding underneath the wing. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. This whole truck is 3D, which is really awesome. And I should also mention that the talons move as well. So there's not really much to this truck. All I can say is that it's got a nice looking body style, and it's pretty awesome. So that's Wildfire, and then last but not least, Tom Mentz's Fire Max D. Now this is cool. So I gotta try and hurry this up because I can only go under 15 minutes. So hopefully this won't take long. Personally, in my opinion, Tom Mentz is having a great season this year driving the Fire Max D. He's been doing some pretty cool stunts. Like basically, he's keeping the momentum going, which is nice. Backflip. Truck continuously going even though with flat tires. Yeah, he's just been having a great season this year. Alright, let's take a look at this beautiful Max D truck. Personally, this might be my favorite version of Max D that they've made this year. So let's take a look. So as you can see, it's got the flames painted on it everywhere. The spikes are finally on the grill, which is cool. I probably should have mentioned that when I got the regular Max D, but it's okay. Of course, it says Max D on the top. It's just your average Max D, but with this beautiful fire design. It's got like fire everywhere. It's got like fire surrounding the spikes here. The whole robot is covered in fire, and it's still got that awesome 3D feel. Sorry if it doesn't focus, but it's supposed to say Max D and then Monster Jam Fire. The flames are kind of blending in with the orange paint, but that's okay. I mean, I'm being nice to Spin Master. I mean, like, it's their first year. I mean, if they make a couple of mistakes, that's okay. They'll learn what to do for next year when they continue making more trucks. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the fire and ice trucks that I showed today. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.